Right, Gerard heating up his coffee. This is the one.
This is the one.
Heating up my coffee. Right, there, now, watch it. Watch it or feel my wrath.
Feel her will.
Wait a second.
Feel me.
Indiana Bones, your mum.
It should be Indiana Bones, your mum.
Titanic.
Okay, I heard it.
Copy it.
Eating up my coffee.
Not eating. Not
I
eating. You
What?
eat it, not eat it.
Yeah, what?
He said eating up my coffee, not eating up my coffee.
What?
What?
Alright, watch it again. You said I'm eating up my coffee, but he says heating, not eating.
My dog.
Eating off his coffee. Coffee. I don't know.
Coffee.
Eating off my coffee.
Not eating, it's eating.
Eating. It's the eating.
Toby, off. I
Eating
don't
up
want
my
your toy.
coffee.
Take it out.
Eating off my coffee.
Eating off my coffee.
Not eating off, heating up my coffee.
Eating up my coffee.
He's doing it on purpose,
Eating
actually.
up my
Eating.
Eating up my coffee!
No, he eats his coffee, not he.
He's eating it up!
Then the video is not funny.
No, it's not supposed to be funny!
Yeah, but when he eats his coffee, it's funny.
He's not eating it, he's eating it in the microwave!
Yeah, but...
What are you doing, Jared? Eating up
We're
my
supposed
coffee?
to eat a coffee.
He's eating it, not eating it!
Yeah.
Nom nom nom. Nice coffee. I know, great, isn't it? Nom nom nom.
Do you drink your coffee? Now I'm eating it.
You can't eat stuff in the microwave.
You
I'm
can.
eating of my coffee.
Heating.
I said eating. God,
I'm heating up my coffee.
I'm heating up my coffee.
That was really good.
Face sitting, porno.
Marvin watches Kiss Exist. Give me the toy.
No!
You do,
It's
you.
the other way. What?
What is Kiss Exist? What
It's
is it?
burp. You don't wanna watch it. Burp on timer.
Nicola! Accept my picture, bitch.
Burp on the timer.
Hmm?
That
Oh.
was not the timer.
What's the timer?
No! Too
What?
late. Too late.
I wasn't
You
ready.
fail.
No, do it again.
Okay. Now fail.
You-
Now too late. Too late.
You're still laughing though. I had to get rid of it somehow.
Okay, 3, 2. One. Too late. I love
You're
it.
making her laugh too much.
Yeah.
All I did. That's what he's trying to do.
So, Motorola. I can't talk now. I'm naked.
Why is me?